Losing weight can feel like a daunting task. It's a journey that requires commitment and a solid plan. One of the most crucial elements of successful weight loss is meal planning. Having a well-structured meal plan can be your roadmap to success, guiding you towards your weight loss goals. When you plan your meals, you take control of your food choices. You are less likely to make impulsive decisions driven by hunger or cravings. This control can lead to healthier eating habits and ultimately a healthier you. Remember, it's not about deprivation, but about making conscious, healthy choices. It's about nourishing your body with the right foods to fuel your weight loss journey. With a well-planned meal strategy, you can achieve your weight loss goals and embark on a path to a healthier lifestyle. Weight loss ultimately boils down to the balance between calories consumed and calories expended. When you consume fewer calories than your body burns, you create a calorie deficit. This deficit forces your body to tap into stored fat for energy, leading to weight loss. However, it's not just about slashing calories. It's crucial to focus on the quality of those calories. Nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains should take center stage in your diet. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, keeping you feeling full and satisfied while nourishing your body. Processed foods, on the other hand, are often high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats, contributing to weight gain and other health problems. As you embark on your weight loss journey, it's essential to prioritize nutrient-rich foods. These foods provide the vitamins, minerals, and fiber your body needs to function optimally while supporting your weight loss goals. Fruits and vegetables should be staples in your diet. They are naturally low in calories and packed with essential nutrients and fiber, which aids in digestion and helps you feel full. Lean proteins such as chicken, fish, beans, and lentils are crucial for building and maintaining muscle mass. Muscle burns more calories at rest than fat, which can boost your metabolism and help with weight loss. Choosing whole grains over refined grains is another important step. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are rich in fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and keep you feeling fuller for longer. Section 4. Breakfast of Champions, fueling your day for success. Starting your day with a healthy and satisfying breakfast sets the tone for a successful day of weight management. A nutritious breakfast provides the energy you need to kickstart your metabolism and helps prevent overeating later in the day. Protein pancakes are a delicious and nutritious breakfast option, made with whole grain flour, eggs, and milk or yogurt. They provide a good balance of protein and carbohydrates to keep you feeling full and energized. Egg muffins are another convenient and protein-packed breakfast choice. Simply whisk eggs with your favorite vegetables such as spinach, mushrooms, or peppers and bake in a muffin tin for a quick and easy breakfast on the go. These breakfast options can be customized to your liking. Add a side of fresh fruit for extra fiber and vitamins, or enjoy a small glass of milk or yogurt for additional protein and calcium. Section 5. Lunchtime recharge, delicious and diet-friendly meals. Lunchtime is a crucial opportunity to refuel your body and prevent afternoon slumps. Opting for light yet satisfying meals can help you stay on track with your weight loss goals. A Greek chicken wrap is a flavorful and nutritious lunch option. Grilled chicken breast, fresh vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions, and a dollop of hummus or tzatziki sauce are wrapped in a whole wheat tortilla for a satisfying and protein-rich meal. Quinoa salad is another excellent choice for a light yet fulfilling lunch. Quinoa, a complete protein, is combined with your favorite vegetables such as bell peppers, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes, and tossed with a light vinaigrette for a refreshing and nutrient-packed meal. These lunch ideas can be easily packed to take to work or school, ensuring that you have a healthy and delicious meal readily available. Section 6. Dinner delights. Satisfying and healthy evening recipes. Dinner is a time to unwind and enjoy a delicious meal with family or friends. Choosing healthy and satisfying dinner options can help you stay on track with your weight loss goals without sacrificing flavor. Baked salmon is a quick and easy dinner option that is packed with protein and heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Simply season salmon fillets with your favorite herbs and spices and bake in the oven for a flavorful and nutritious meal. Turkey chili is another hearty and satisfying dinner option that is perfect for colder evenings. Ground turkey, beans and vegetables simmer in a flavorful tomato-based sauce for a comforting and protein-rich meal. Serve with a dollop of Greek yogurt or a sprinkle of low-fat cheese for added flavor. These dinner recipes can be easily modified to suit your dietary preferences. For vegetarian options, substitute tofu or tempeh for the salmon or use vegetarian chili beans in the turkey chili.